Hey guys, welcome back to EE Tech Reviews. I have a very quick budget solution for the fastest external storage that you can get for either your Windows machine or for your new MacBook Pro or Air M1 chip. All you're going to need is your M.2 drive, and you're just going to need your M.2 enclosure. This is a budget build. Both of these items are purchased for under $100. Here you can just see a nice slim profile of the enclosure. The enclosure will heat up. Make sure you put a piece of heat sink tape from 3M or even an external piece to just cool it down because it will get hot over time. If you've never installed an M.2 drive, just remember to install it at about a 30-degree angle before you physically flatten it out and then install the screw. Here is where you would put your piece of thermal tape just to help with cooling. The M.2 drive chosen for this is a simple Intel SSD 600 series, 1 terabyte to match the 1 terabyte hard drive in my MacBook Pro. Here you can see the read speeds using Crystal Mark on my Windows 10 machine using a USB 3.1 with a USB-C cable to USB-C cable, getting around 900 megabytes per second. That's huge external file speeds compared to a regular USB 3.0 or even an external SSD in an enclosure. Similarly, we can look at the speeds here generated on the MacBook Pro, 560 megabytes per second. You can think of a 1 gig file taking 2 seconds to transfer. It's extremely fast. I've used it to transfer large video files in seconds between machines. I highly recommend this. This is just a quick video, guys. I really hope you liked it. It's just to show others that there is a budget way to either get a nice backup drive for restoring or for an extremely fast way to transfer data between your machines without breaking the bank. Please like and subscribe if you want more how-to, help videos, and tech reviews. Mike out.